Hey guys, welcome back. If you haven't already, a sub to the channel would make me so bubbly inside. Just like Champagne Reef, which is where I'm at right now, one of the best sites to snorkel in Dominica. Let's get this adventure started. Tell the people about what you do here at Champagne Reef.
Okay, everybody, good day. Diving Donny, and I own water sports at Champagne Beach, Donny's Water Sports. And right now we're heading to the bubbles. The bubbles we're going to see up there is the sulfuric gas that escaped from the vents, and the bubbles action never stop. I'm going to take you guys to the $1 million view, meaning facing the sun, watching the bubbles. It comes up like crystals. Again, it's one section. I'll head down with my snorkel, trap the mineral water, pour it in your hands, make you feel the temperature. Actually, I'm going to make you guys 10 years younger when I pour the Also, there's a main reef out there. You can see the green area. Out there, there's a main reef, and on the other side, it drops off 70 feet drop off.
Ooh, okay.
Little murky on the shoreline. Visibility will get better out there to the reef. Right now, we're heading the entrance to the bubbles area. There's a hot spa. It's a hot sandy spa, and we'll do a minute in there. We'll get up, walking backwards, and head up to the bubbles.
Yeah.
We'll name some fishes, onto the corals. Yeah, some creatures out there. Surely I'm gonna find you guys a sea pearl. Yeah,
okay, awesome.
Diving Donny.
Okay, Diving Donny. So we're gonna head into the ocean soon. It's great that it's not just me on this road, so I won't have to try and get all the shots myself. I can ask for help in some of the shots. This is why I think it's really good to book tours when you are a solo traveler. And yeah, just ask for help. That's the only way you're gonna get most of the footage you need. Yeah, the sand right here, he was saying it's like a hot spot. If you like dig your foot just a bit down, it's hot, like burn hot. So it's not like pleasurable heat at all. Yeah, can't wait to get in and see what marine life is out there, and I'll show you guys everything. So just had a good swim at the Champagne Reef. It was really beautiful. I don't remember the name of the next location, so I'll just insert it, or I'll remember once I get there. Bye.